If you're watching this right now, I need you to understand something. You are literally 1 week away from looking like the most upgraded version of yourself, and most people won't even realize how you did it. Everyone else is waiting for next year to change, but if you follow this plan right now, before 2026 even arrives, you're going to walk into the new year already ahead. I'm about to walk you through 7 days glow up plan that actually work. I'm not promising anything vague. By day 7, you will see a visible difference. So let's start from the inside. For this entire week, think of your body as something you're resetting. No extra sodium, no sugar, nothing packaged or processed, just for 7 days. Your face will literally calm down when there's nothing inflammatory in your system. Replace all that with simple, natural foods, fresh fruits, greens, and foods with healthy fats like chia seeds or nuts. And don't just randomly drink water. Make it work harder for you. Add electrolytes so you actually stay hydrated instead of just flushing everything out. Or slice in cucumber, watermelon, or celery, because these are naturally hydrating and support your skin from the inside. And throughout the week, keep sipping dandelion tea. I'm warning you now. It's not delicious, but it does reduce bloating and puffiness fast, especially in your face. Blend that with avoiding sugary drinks, and your skin is going to love you. Now let's talk about your face. The structure of your face can change so much in a week if you get your lymphatic system moving. Do a small drainage routine each morning and night. It's really just guiding everything downward, behind the ears, neck, across the collarbone. A few seconds on each spot. The point is to get all the stuck puffiness out and drink some water right after so your body can carry everything away. It feels good, and you'll notice how much softer and more sculpted your face looks. Your skin routine this week should be simple but intentional. Exfoliate once or twice gently with AHA or BHA to remove that dull layer sitting on the surface. Don't overdo it. Pick 3 nights this week to put on a hydrating overnight mask. In the morning, use an ice roller or a gua sha. The cold instantly brings down puffiness and makes your face look lifted. While you get ready, stick on some under eye patches. They hydrate and smooth out the under eye area so you look awake even if you're not. Now your hair. Even if you can't get to a salon, you can still make your hair look brand new. Do a gloss treatment at home with a semi-permanent gloss or whatever version you prefer. It only takes about 20 minutes, and the shine makes such a difference. Follow that up with a full everything shower, the type where you wash, exfoliate, shave if you shave, deep condition, scrub your body gently, clean under your nails, dry brush, and really reset your whole self. When you step out, use glycolic acid in the areas that tend to trap odor like underarms, put on your red light mask, and finish by moisturizing your hands, feet, nails, everything. Choose a scent you love and make it your signature for the week, a scent that feels like you're stepping into your upgraded version. Every day, move your body lightly, nothing extreme. Stretching, Pilates, slow walks, anything that gets your blood flowing. That gentle movement brings color to your skin and actually helps your body look and feel more alive. And please get your sleep. Your body transforms when it rests. Try doing a small night routine that calms you down. Take magnesium as supplement. It helps you relax. Do your skincare. Brush your teeth, brush your hair, and put on a silk bonnet and play soft music. Put your phone away and flip through a magazine or a book instead. Within minutes, you'll feel calmer. Now for the tiny things that make a surprisingly big difference. After your shower, gently exfoliate your lips and keep them hydrated throughout the day. Apply lip balm before bed so your lips stay soft. And don't ignore your mouth care. Floss and brush for at least 2 minutes so your breath stays clean. When you do all of this for a full week, the change is obvious. You look more hydrated, your face looks more defined, your skin looks brighter, your hair looks healthier, your body feels lighter, and your mind feels clearer. It's only 7 days, but if you commit to it, you'll see the version of yourself you've been trying to reach.